Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on FanDuel step by step. First, log into your FanDuel account. If you can't receive your authentication code, select Having Trouble with your code and choose Verify using email instead. This will send the verification notification to your registered email. If that option isn't available in your area, contact live chat for help. Once you're signed in and can access your account, go to the Account menu at the bottom right of the home screen. Then select Account Settings and choose Two-Factor Authentication. On this screen, you will see all available methods for two-factor authentication. Tap Update Number. A notification will be sent to your current phone number to confirm your identity. Enter the code you receive to proceed. After verification, enter your new phone number and confirm via text. This updates your phone number for two-factor authentication. If you don't have access to your original phone number, you may need to contact live chat for assistance. And that's it. Your phone number is now updated on FanDuel for login and security purposes. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.